Hey guys, welcome back to another how-to in Microsoft Excel. Just as I was thinking today about just how to manipulate data and how to kind of make things easier for anyone that really uses big data, or maybe just like a quick tip or a quick trick to make data line up and make it easier for you to read. I thought of a really simple one that may get overlooked from time to time. It's called a find and replace. So, like I said, this video is going to be relatively short because this is pretty easy. But what I wanted to show you was, say you wanted to go to the store number, and say you have all of these number signs that are in front of all of your store numbers. And really, you don't want those. And honestly, from a big data perspective, the less numerals or the less symbols that are inside of your data, it makes it a lot easier to do VLOOKUPs. And it makes it a lot easier to find the data that you want without having any NAs or having any unreadable data pop up. So a really easy way to get rid of these pound signs is basically this. You're going to hit Control F. And when you do that, it's going to bring up this dialog box. Basically what you're going to want to do is, say you want to simply find a number sign. Say you want to find one. See, it goes right to the next one, find next, find next. Excel is finding that number sign. It's finding the pound symbol or your hashtag. But what if we wanted to take those out? Well, it's very simple. All we're going to do is we're going to tell Excel to go find all of the hashtags, basically all the pound signs, and we're going to replace it with absolutely nothing. So basically what it's telling Excel is go find every pound sign that you can find and basically take it out of all of your data set. If I hit replace all, it's going to go ahead and it's going to replace every single one of them. See how the store numbers all went into a regular number format and all of your pound symbols went away? Excel is going to tell you how many changes there are, and you're going to hit OK. You're going to close this, and look at that. All of your pound symbols are now gone. Like I said, this is a pretty easy command, but when you have big data sets like this, sometimes if you want to look up something by, say, a store number, or if you want to, say, go over to like your business problem and say your tracking number had a pound sign in front of it, if I went and looked for the tracking number and I looked at the tracking number in an opposite Excel format or an Excel page, basically you're going to get an NA. You're going to get a null result because Excel is saying, well, this number doesn't match anything over in that data set, but if you take the pound symbol away, then it's going to populate the data because it found an exact match. Really easy tip for you guys tonight. Again, thanks for taking a few minutes to watch. If this video was helpful to you, drop a like. Go ahead and subscribe to the page.